question mo, paano pag hindi equal? Naku, babalikan mo talaga. Because of this, you need to have an
Sorry.
equal
Okay.
trial balance. Okay? Alright. So, what would be the limitations of a trial balance? No? Trial balance is the proof that all transactions have been recorded. Hindi ibig sabihin daw that balance siya na it is 100% correct. Why? There would be numerous errors, no, that may exist. Even though trial balance columns agree. Why? Trial balance may be balanced even when transaction is not journalized. Nakalimutan mo ito class, no, you forgot to have entry this one. Balasin mo ba tayo? Yes. Okay? And number 2. Sorry. Number 2, correct? Journal entry is not posted. You have entry, but there's no ledger. There's no recording of ledger. Balansin pa ba? Yes. Tama ba? Okay. Next one. Journal entry is posted twice. You post twice, 500,000. You post 500,000 equipment twice. Then you post also cash 500,000. Balansin pa ba? Yes. Okay? And number 4, incorrect accounts are used in journalizing. For example, you use AR here instead of equipment. Balansin pa ba?
Yes.
Yes. Okay? You use, let's say, expense. Balansin pa ba? Yes.
Okay.
And offsetting of the accounts. For example, you have understated the following month is overstated. Pero don't worry for number 5, no? Medyo,
Offset.
ano yan, higher accounting na. Anyway. Okay. Tapos na pala. No? Sige. We will do this one class, no? As trial balance. No?